Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have this car here, Toyota Camry. Okay, we have this, it's called Best Car Fixes. We have this car with all this light, airbag, engine, slippery, ABS, tire pressure, steering angle sensor, brakes, seat belt. This car even is vibrating a little bit like misfire. We need to evaluate this car quick, a complete diagnosis to see if this car worth to be fixed or not. I am using my 608 Hotel, and you know, to get a good service on this car, on this tool, you have to update it. Every time you have a time, try to update it and it will work fine. This one is connected. Just push it back a little bit. It look like, yeah, it's good here. So let me wait a little bit to be sure that it's connected. Okay, let me go back and do something called Bluetooth, because it doesn't see the module. VCI. Okay, VCI. Ampere, so let me see if I can pair it. Scan it. If this is the one I have it. Let me see the serial number. FCC7. Maybe this not. No, this not. I'm gonna go back. Go home. Setting. It's on. So let me see what machine is there. Bluetooth. Okay. Why I cannot see my machine here?
Is it plugged in?
Yeah, it's plugged in. Maybe this one here, or maybe I don't have that one. I gotta look for this. Okay, maybe this one here. Maxi JVC AKC0. WQ8. Let me see this. Okay, let me go back. Yeah, it's communicate now, but that's not enough. We need to communicate with the car, auto detect. We need this also to come green. Yes, we see something. Toyota Asia, accept. Okay, because in this we're gonna drive the car also in a few. So this is the car. I will say okay. Without the smart, it's a push button. So with the smart key, say yes. Okay, diagnose, programming. So I gotta go to diagnose. Auto scan. I want to scan the whole car. Yeah. Let me see something. Okay. Now I'm gonna check the whole car. As you see here. Okay, we have engine. We have 7 fault, ABS 2 fault, airbag 2 fault, meter 2 for 1 fault. We have a lot of fault here, but that's it. Not. Let me see the report, because the report will make it better. Okay. Now I have 7 engine, 2 in the ABS, 2 in the airbag, 4 in the meter, 1 in the driver door motor, 2 in navigation system. This is navigation, right? Mm-hmm. And then cruise control 1, tire pressure, EMPS 4. Okay, engine, we have a speed sensor, and the car like vibrating or fall down, or like something happened to the engine. Idle rough, speed sensor. They all repeat themselves. Speed sensor. So 605, 603, 500, 605, 605, 603, 055, 055, P0500. This is 2, 3 times P0500. So that's 1. O3 2 times that 2, and O5. So only 3 code on the engine. Repeat. Right front is speed sensor. Left front is speed sensor. So you have 2 code on the ABS. 2 sensor is no good. The 2 front sensors, they all open. And we're gonna check that in the data. So now this is not a problem. Airbag, you have 2 code. Right front satellite sensor and the right front satellite sensor bus. Okay, you have something on the satellite, I don't know which one, but you have P0603 code. Now we have combination meter, turn signal, loss communication, steering angle, turn signal, turn hazard. This is not a big problem. Driver door master switch, the window switch, it says sometime. Air condition, pressure circuit open, follow sensor, history, communication, navigation system, we say CD changer, head unit, HD drive, HD radio tuner. And then we come to the power source. We give us vehicle sensor, vehicle speed sensor, vehicle speed sensors. Okay, vehicle speed sensor, power supply. I don't see P0500 is the transmission. So let me go back. I'm gonna take all this picture, a little bit here and there. Okay, let me see the ABS. The engine, I don't see no transmission code, but the 500 is related to transmission. I gotta go back here, or maybe the ABS, because they don't work. The computer interpret the information from the ABS to the vehicle sensor, which have to be fixed. ABS. Okay, now we're gonna go. I'm gonna do one thing here. No, cancel. Let me turn the key off. Engine off, ignition on. I want to delete those. Now, ignition on, please. Okay, stay there. No starting. Don't push the brake. Just turn it off. Now, that's it. I just need ignition off without brake. So I'm gonna erase, quick erase. How many miles this car have? 200.
200 and change. I'm not fit. Dead already. I drove Uber in it. Yes. Yeah, no, I need to look at the
Hold on
thing.
now. Now I clear all the code. Air condition code there, ABS, the 2-speed sensor for ABS. They never go away. The 2-speed for ABS, they never go away. So now we're gonna go to the ABS. Ignition is on. Okay, I gotta see the trouble code. The 2 sensors in the front are no good. You see the 2 sensors are no. C3, C1330, C1331, left and right. So we're gonna prove that by data. So I'm gonna come here. This is left front, rear, left rear, right rear, right front. Those are the sensors that I need to see them. I'm gonna show it, and now show all. Now they are here. I'm gonna try to put this one here. I'm gonna hold it like this. Okay, I'm gonna come by this to see how they are working. Okay. Now anything 0, go up, count down, up. That means while the car is running, that's good. Now this is right front, this is left front. This is 2, the front. Rear, right rear, left rear. So let's go. Drive, go around the corner.
Yeah, okay.
You gotta see if those sensors.
But the car is not on.
We started here. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna drive. Okay, you see here now. You see the bottom one keep counting. The top one nothing. You see 2 miles an hour. Put the wiper. Okay, you can see here 10 miles an hour. You see?
Right, the front one is not moving.
Nothing. And maybe both of based on this, you see nothing. 2 front not working, and those can pull down the car. and they can affect your transmission too. If this car, this here, if this car work with, you can stop here. I'm gonna look at the engine. So we already know that they don't work. So two sensors are not working. It could be the damage, it could be the module, it could be anything. Now I just want to see your transmission, where they get this information from. Engine. Let me go to the engine and transmission together maybe. I want to see if my vehicle speed sensor, where it get it from. If it's get it from the transmission live data. Let me see what code I have first. I don't need the data. You don't have wipers?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, yes. You see now here, I don't want to go here. Let me go back to trouble code. That's the engine. Okay. I gotta see what code I have. I have, you see, vehicle speed sensor, vehicle speed sensor, vehicle speed sensor, 3 times. This is converted, maybe converted from the, could be converted from the ABS.
Okay.
So also your transmission on the picture from Orozone, I see torque converter, something inside. Is that because of this one or not? I am not sure. But I cannot, look, I don't want to erase this one. Let me see the live data. The live data, vehicle is engine speed, vehicle speed sensor. You see here, this is the vehicle speed sensor. I want it. Okay. It's a lot of information here. Okay, so now let's go. I want to see, is that because of some, as I told you, some cars your vehicle speed sensor is 0, you see. Vehicle speed, I don't see nothing, you see.
Right.
You're driving now, you're driving, and even there also it doesn't, you have nothing there.
Right.
So maybe those here, you see, and the transmission need to see this speed to change too.
Okay.
So you don't have nothing there. So if you want to start, you're going to evaluate your car now. If you want to start fixing it, you're going to start by those sensors first.
But what do you think about the transmission? Is this very
If you don't fix this one here, nothing going to be there. Because for the transmission to work, we need to have inputs. I don't see any input here. So is this input from the transmission sensor itself, vehicle speed sensor, or it translated from the ABS? If it's translated from the ABS, they have to be fixed so that they will synchronize together.
Right.
Now the overall situation of your car, you have 213. This car can go up to 300, 400. You have no problem. But you cannot, if you want to, even if you buy another car, you're gonna spend almost $2,000-3,000 or any used car to let it go. So look at it. If you can look at your budget, if you want to start spending, but if you are going to drop the transmission and change the transmission and all this, I don't know. That's your advice. If it's rental car, I prefer to have something good.
No, it's not rental.
You want to use it private?
Yeah.
Now you don't want to use it as Uber.
No, because I do drive. Yeah.
Okay, right now it's up to you. I don't know about the transmission problem you have. The engine also, they have some codes, but not seriously. But based on what I see on the first one, I just want to be sure that's what's wrong. Yes, now we can stop. Yeah. So if need to be fixed, the first thing that we say, we're gonna start by ABS, and then we come down wherever the car needed. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.